Mondeway shower niche. Mondeway offers stainless steel shower niches designed for storage, durability, and modern bathroom aesthetics. With a sleek, recessed design, these niches save space and provide convenient storage for toiletries. The products are waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and easy to install, ensuring long-lasting performance. Available in various sizes and finishes, Mondeway shower niches can be customized to match different bathroom styles. Their minimalist design combines practicality with elegance, making them popular in residential and commercial projects. Mondeway continues to innovate with high-quality materials and versatile designs, providing reliable storage solutions for modern bathrooms. Mondeway floor drain. Mondeway specializes in high-performance floor drains made of stainless steel and brass. These drains are designed with anti-odor, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant technology, ensuring long-term reliability in bathrooms, kitchens, and balconies. Each floor drain is easy to install, simple to clean, and highly durable, making it a trusted choice for modern buildings. With a focus on customizable sizes and finishes, Mondeway floor drains meet the needs of both residential and commercial projects. Their products are exported to global markets, known for combining functionality, modern design, and quality assurance at competitive prices. Mondeway shower drain. Mondeway produces stainless steel shower drains that combine durability, efficiency, and elegant design. Engineered for fast water flow and odor prevention, these drains are suitable for modern walk-in showers and luxury bathrooms. Each product is tested for waterproof performance, corrosion resistance, and safety standards. With options for linear or square designs, Mondeway offers a wide variety of customizable solutions to match different architectural styles. Their shower drains are popular in residential, hotel, and commercial projects. Mondeway is committed to delivering products that provide reliability, convenience, and contemporary aesthetics for modern bathrooms. Mondeway bathroom basin. Mondeway manufactures modern bathroom basins designed for style, functionality, and durability. Made from ceramic and stainless steel, these basins feature smooth finishes, easy-to-clean surfaces, and long-lasting quality. The company offers a wide range of designs, from countertop and wall-mounted basins to customized models, suitable for residential and commercial use. With a focus on modern aesthetics and user convenience, Mondeway basins are engineered to resist stains and maintain their appearance over time. Their products combine practical usability with elegant design, making them a preferred choice for contemporary bathroom projects worldwide.